Hey guys, Tybo here. Today I'm going to show you a very popular concept for power for MJ, the Magma Crucible to Magmatic Engine Netherrack loop. So a few things you'll need for sure is the Magma Crucible, a couple of Magmatic engines, some different conductive pipes. For sure you need wooden, and you need some other conductive pipe, and some waterproof piping or liquid ducts, and netherrack. So here we have a like a concept of what this idea is. So you have magmatic engines, which produces MJ, which powers Magma Crucible, and when the Magma Crucible is at 1200 MJ, no, 12,000 MJ, it'll start smelting down the netherrack to turn into lava, and therefore it powers the magmatic engines, and it's in a constant loop. But the main idea is that you need to use netherrack. Using stone or cobblestone, it takes like twice as much power than netherrack does, which is not ideally recommended for this kind of build. But without further ado, I'll show you how to make it. So first you start with the magmatic engine and configure it like so. And then you will take, let's wire power first. And you set down my magmatic engines like so. Make sure they're facing towards the pipe. And then you take your piping and pipe it all the way to the engines. And get yourself some netherrack. You do need a Kickstarter, so I do recommend finding some kind of source of lava. So at least, at the minimum, a bucket per engine. And then you're just gonna have to wait, and then once it reaches 12,000 MJ, it will start smelting the netherrack and start generating lava. Something else that you may want to do, especially if you're playing on Tekkify, is to make sure your engines turn on when you're on and turn off when you're not on. To do that, you'll need some kind of way to connect, like redstone, to your setup, or you're just gonna have to build player detectors for every single engine, which gets kind of costly since it's gold and red dye. But for this, I'm using red net cables and a player detector. So when I'm online, these engines go online. You also can put one to the Magma Crucible also. Set that to high, and then see, now you can see I already reached that correct amount of MJ, and now it's smelting lava. And we'll let this finish up, and after it's done, you'll see it's gonna get piped out from the back, and it'll start making its way through the engines, and therefore making a loop. So yeah, this is the concept, a very popular concept of generating MJ through a Magma Crucible magmatic engine netherrack loop. Thanks for watching.